Remember that we made a video telling the Igbos not to participate in this protest. Do you know that the Hausa and Fulani and the Yorubas, especially the Yorubas, are now tagging the Igbos of being the planners and the sponsor of this protest? And we also get information that the Yorubas are planning to start a protest telling Igbos must go, that Igbos should leave Lagos or Yoruba land and go to their various states. My people, a lot of things is going on. But there is something that is going on right now in Nigeria that everyone needs to be aware of. Hey, the Hausas and the Yorubas, the Igbos are not scared of you. Remember that. The Igbos stay away from this protest because they don't want to be tagged and they don't want anybody to come outside and say, hey, it's the Igbos that started the protest. Still yet, you people are still mentioning Igbos. You see the Hausa and Fulanis that are protesting in the street of Kano, in the street of Lagos, Abuja, everywhere. And you people don't mention them of being the sponsor of the protest. But however, the message is very clear. Whatever you people are looking in Igbo hand, you will get it times 3. And when we begin, don't say that Igbos are wicked. No, we are not. You push us to the wall. We are not afraid of you. We have seen war. We have seen what you never saw. Yes, we have witnessed it before, and we relented and come back again. So, do not push us to the wall by threatening Igbos in Nigeria again. This is a clear message. Anyone who is pointing fingers on Igbo, be away and be always watch about, because we are watching you. When the time comes to reply you, we are going to reply you. But it should be a very straight message give to the Yorubas and any other tribe that point hand in Igbos. My people, do you know that the protesters in the north are shouting that military should take over and also carrying Russian flag in protest? I'm going to play you the video. But before I play that video, I want you to watch this video. See this a phrase from Ikwere, an Igbo man who miswrote. Maybe mother was born by Funani or whatever. Look at what he's saying with his own mouth, his own brothers. Just watch the video and see.
The Igbos, they decided just to cause problem in the country.
What is the problem?
The problem I'm telling you is because they know the truth. Since all this while they have been trying to cause problem, but no problem, and everybody knows what they are doing. If you watch here, I'm from River State, I'm from Ikwe. We are here in our business place, everywhere is open, everybody is doing well, all the shop here is open. But if you go to their own side of shops, everywhere has been locked by them. They know what they are doing. This meeting has been done by them, they know. They know what they are doing. They are trying to sabotage the government of Ahmed Bola Tinubu. But no problem.
How is that concerned? People are not coming out. The shops are locked up.
That's what I'm telling you.
5% of shops.
That's what I'm telling you. As I'm coming out now this morning from my house, all the whole Igbo shop, plumbing material, building material, every other thing has been locked. They did that meeting and they caught them that everybody should lock down their shop. Now let me tell you, see what is going on in Imo State now. They told us it's a peaceful protest. But today what you are seeing is not a peaceful protest. They have been killing police people in Imo State, shooting at people. Is that a peaceful protest? The answer is no. So all these things that they are doing, they should stop it, because we know what their plan is all about. What they are doing today is the same thing that they did before. This one is Biafra something. So we said we are reverse people. We cannot allow such thing to happen. It's not that what is going on in this country that will like it, but the way they are doing it today is look as if this thing is one side something concerning Igbo and the Yoruba and the other things. Them no, that's why everybody should tell ourselves the truth. Are you hearing me? What the Igbo is doing, they are trying to cause problem in the country, but I pray let this not happen. See where everybody now, they are in their business place, doing business. Go to all their shops, everywhere is locked. What is the reason?
Because the unless they come out to say the Igbos will not join the protest.
Yes, they say so. They say so. They say so. Now they have lockdown everywhere. Just like me, I'm happy that Nigeria should do a peaceful protest. Are you hearing me? But why are they behaving like this? Go to their shop now. Now I wanted to buy WC now. I can't buy WC. They said they are in a peaceful protest. What is peaceful protest? Where they are killing police, killing Navy people, killing army. Is that right? And they're telling plus rubbish. So they should call them in order. This is a Biafra of a thing. This is not how it's supposed to be. Thank you.
Let's talk. Your colleague said 95% of Rivers residents are loyal to the FCT chairman.
FCT minister.
FCT minister, and they believe in the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
No.
True is that?
No. The person that made that comment is lying. Let me tell you, I'm a Rivers man. Yes, so you came from Ikwe. I'm an Ikwe man. It's never all Ikwe people that is loyal to him. I'm not loyal to him. As I'm concerned today, I'm a full loyalist to Honorable Chibike Rotimi Amechi, being the former Minister of Transportation. So it's not all the Rivers people. But what you are trying to pray, they are preaching for peace. I know what everybody is doing very soon is going to come down. We are not loyal to anybody. Nobody is feeding me. I'm not feeding anybody.
So we should give him time.
Let's give him time. Let's give him time. Nobody should go and cause problem in this country and be telling us, well, what they are doing is bad. Igbos are trying to cause problem. That's my own. They should warn them and they should be careful about what they're doing. He had what the governor said yesterday. The governor did the right thing. For the governor to say, let there be the peaceful protest. And that's what all of us, see, look at me today. I'm here in my shop.
So you are doing peaceful protest?
My peaceful protest is in my shop here.
Okay.
God bless you.
Thank you.
When a Fref is talking, it's very clear you will know that the Fref is talking. So ask him to explain how the Igbos are causing problem in the country. You have nothing to explain. You have nothing, absolutely nothing to explain. So this is a flavor. So when you see them talking, you will know. Check their DNA. You will find out they are from Zamfara or wherever. However, I'm not mean to insult any tribe in Nigeria in this video, but when a Fref is talking, you will know that the Fref is actually speaking. So let us watch this video and see what is going on in the north right now. Just watch. They are calling the militaries to take power.
Take over, military, army, soldier, military, soldier, army, military.
Suna daga jagoransu suna daga cikin wanda suke ba su kuma mun koma farashin nan za mu tafi jirgin mu ya dana samu da farasha Allah ya kyauta.
There is a message that I want to send to Southeast governors, and I want them to see and watch this video. Assume that this is in the eastern part of Nigeria. You will find that even the people will not ever go too close. People will not ever go close to military vehicles. But you see the way the military are moving with them, and despite they have buy a lot of people for inside that side. But if this protest is happening in Owerri, you will count more than 50 or 30 dead by now. But thank God that our people get this clue on time and stay away from this protest. I want to play this video for you to watch, and before we come back and continue. Carrasco! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119,
over. Yoruba and Nigeria.
That is them on the military vehicle, as you can see. You see that this thing like this can never ever happen in Southeast. But however, our governors be very careful of giving order this time around, because the people will turn against you very soon. You see, this revolution is going to reach in Southeast. That is sure that it must reach in Southeast. So if you are a governor and you are giving order, go and despite them, use tear gas, do this one. No try more, because you know say your people the verse pass the people where they see now. My people, share this video and drop your own opinion in comment section as they hot.